Hi, I'm Chris from Napkyn. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use search in a data table to be able to isolate a long list of data for the data that you're interested in. There's a couple of different techniques you can use, and it'll be a good way to be able to make your workflow a little bit more efficient. So you can see here that we are in the engagement, pages, and screen report. This technique will work in a bunch of other places as well, but this is a report that tends to have a lot of different rows in it. You can see that there's 168 rows. Let's say that we're only interested in finding the account pages. So if I go here and I type in /account, maybe that's what I remember it as. Turns out that that's not the right result. But I can make this less specific by just putting in account and removing the slash, and that gives me the result for my account. Now I can get rid of that, and let's say I was interested in finding the home page. If I put in slash, I'm going to get a lot of results because that's giving me every result that happens to have a slash in it. But if I put in redesign, which there seems to be a bunch of results in that level of the website, I can get every result that happens to match with the words redesign in the page path, which is super useful if I wanted to see how a bunch of similar pages or a bunch of pages that are at the same level in the URL hierarchy are performing against each other. Search is fairly useful, and it's definitely something that you should give a try if you're doing any sort of reporting, especially with data tables that happen to have a lot of results in them.